guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Angel and today I am going to open up and do some swatches again. And I have two kits here. Surprise, they're not beetles. I have this one called abgel. I don't know. Got it off of Amazon, of course. And this one comes with a base, a top, and 16 colors. And this regular price of this one was $29.99, and I got this for $14.99. And then I got this little set. This is, I don't know what the regular price was, but I got it for $6.99. And this one has 6 colors. And I think I'll start with these. And these are pretty small bottles as well, but they are glass, 7 mils. And what's good about these ones are all reflective glitter. So let's see how these ones go. This one seems like it's teal. Guess I should have started in order. Oh well. Ugh, it's hard to open these ones. It's like a pink color. Next, like a lavender, it looks like. Okay, let's see what the next color is. Ooh, very purpley. I like this color. I don't think I've opened one or swatched one that was exactly like this. Pretty. I'm trying to differentiate the formula between this and the beetles. This doesn't seem too bad. Another pinkish one. Last one. One thing I don't like is that they don't have the color on the top of the top to show what color they are. It's hard to tell what color that is. It's like a very subtle silver, maybe? Alright, let's cure those up, and then we'll see what we got all together. Okay, here we go. Here's all the colors. They're kind of underwhelming, I think. What do you guys think? This one here and this one, those two colors, they're pretty nice, but the rest of the colors are kind of basic. I don't know. What do you guys think? So this is for the, I don't even know how to pronounce that, Mizhsi, maybe? Polishes. You guys decide whether it's good or not. I am not convinced myself, but there you go. For $6.99, I mean, it's not a terrible price, but I don't think they're that great. All right, let's get into this one. Let's see what this comes. So we got a how to use gel polish guide. Wow, interesting. And let's see these colors. Oh, they're in a, let's see if I can pour them out. How big are these bottles? 7.5. Again, glass bottles. Like to see that. All right, let's get some swatches done. Very creamy. Perfect coverage. One coat for sure. I'm actually shocked. Let's see how the rest of them are. Pretty thick. I like the shape of these bottles over, let's say, like the Beatles. I like the shape of these ones better. I don't know, I find them easier to open. I'm just being picky. Lovely blue. Lilac. You guys, these are really thick, very pigmented. Definitely one coat. I'm pretty impressed so far. Glitter polish. on the blue side. Another glitter. This one looks like it has chunky. Wow. Okay, it's got some little glitter and some big glitter. Oh, so nice. Definitely sparkles. Grape. Very nice. It's got some hollow to it. So this color, peachy. Again, such good coverage. I really like the formula with these. One thing I did notice is that this is more drippy. It's a little shade of pink. It's more drippy, but like when I take it out and I hold it there for a second, it literally looks like it's gonna drip. Got an orange tone, peachy orange. Oh, very nice. Got another glitter one here. Wow. So nice. Can you see that? It's like, it's got blue and silver in it. Well, pretty. A light neutral color. And orangey with a tinge of red to it. And I think that's the top coat, base coat. That's a pretty yellow. Very pretty. Alright guys, only one color left. Gonna be another glitter. Wow. Very chunky. Can you see that? Big glitters. Wow. Big chunky glitters. So nice. Alright, I'll give those a cure and let's see what they look like when they're done. Okay guys, I just cured all of these and here's what I'm finding. First of all, these are taking forever to cure. These have been under for probably 3, maybe 4 minutes. And they're still not 100% done. Like, I could see my fingerprint in that. All of the, no, they're all still, and they've cooled down. It's not that, but they're tacky. Have you guys ever had that problem before? Like, tacky. Now, if I go back to the ones I did earlier, they're all fine. These, all fine. These, sticky. Annoying. You know, like, literally pick them up. Oh, wow. Have you guys tried this brand before? I've never, so I'm not 100%. The abgel. It says 60 to 120 seconds under a UV LED lamp. That's what I did. I did overkill more. I don't know. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments. Okay, well, thank you for watching. I appreciate it. Like and subscribe if you would be so kind. I appreciate that. Until next time, see you later. Bye-bye.